Hey there, friends. We are still at the Durango, lovely Durango, Saturday. I'm gonna try our new favorite game, the Dragon Train, Forever Emperor. Looks like fun. That looks like even more fun. Let's start out at 5 cents. Yes, that is correct. And let's do 25 blinds. Start at 125. All right, we won on our first spin, I think, so let's just leave. Yeah, we won 25 cents, we're up. Let's head out. Hope you guys are doing good. We're doing good, we're having fun. We're trying to bring a little bit of fun to you and your day. Let's see how we can do on here. What's next? Let's raise it a little bit. I already want to raise it, let's go. So we need 3 of these. One is not 3. What's the next bet? 375. We're doing it. We're going to 375. 375. Used to be able to buy a Big Mac combo for that much, right? Now get you 1 spin on that. It could be better for you than a Big Mac, but could not. It costs you a lot more. What? Oh, what in tarnation. We'd like to get, last time we got the bullet train situation, the what the heck was that? I didn't even realize I was panning up. Last time we got the dragon train and it was gloriousness. We're trying to replicate that today, that's for sure. 2 more? No more. Oh? No. What's the next bet? 625. Oh, no. It's kind of scary when you push the button to see what it is and it bets it. It just bet it for me. 4 more. That was big. 2 more of these, please. Oh, they went by twice. Let's try just mixing it up. Let's try just mixing it up. Going up and down and up and down. Oh. 4 more. 5 more? No more? Oh, 3 in the end. Oh, mix and match pain. The pain of mix and match. Oh my goodness. We hate it, but we love it. It's part of the journey. The journey is the destination. The pain and the suffering, it's all worth it in the end. 2 more? Winning spin there, okay. So, down, so let's build our confidence back up by putting in more hard-earned money to get what we're actually looking for here. Some more ammo for the goodness. That's not goodness. 375, okay. 250. I forgot what denomination we were on earlier when we did really good on this. I think it was 1 cent. Oh, come on. Oh, you silly goose. What in the heck is this? It's tricking us. It's absolutely tricking us, people. Is it turning around now? I don't know about that. Oh, 4 more. What's the mini? The mini's $50. We need the minor to be even at this point. 2 more. Oh, I didn't say a dang thing because I thought it was coming. I didn't want to scare it away. I didn't say one thing, and it still didn't come. It did not come. So we're not getting anywhere with 5 cents. We hate your 5 cents for now. We're going back to 1 cent and let's work our way up. Oh my God, don't do it now. Actually do it now if you want to, but how painful is that when you just kind of just working your way up and it does it on the lowest denomination? It's very silly. Okay. 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 Oh, 5 more? No more. Okay. Oh? No. Beautiful. What are these? Jade little cute dragons. I like them. They're very sweet looking. We need many more of them. We need a full screen of them, please. 2 more. Oh my goodness, this mix and match. Bamboozlement. 2 more. I'm going to $5. Max bet. Oh. I'm max betting right here, people. I'm on maximum tilt. Just kidding. Oh my god, 4 more, please. Oh my. We won't talk about it. We won't talk about it. Where were you last time, Mini? Our favorite was the Mini and you didn't come last time. Oh my goodness. Full screen. That's a good one. Goodness, that was the one, but we'll have the 1 times 2 coming up. Oh, 1 more. I just want to hit a max bet bonus on this game. Come on. Oh, 3 in the end. Oh, 3 in the end. Why not 3 in the end? Let's do a couple rapid fires. Change our lives. We'll change our lives for the better now. Rapid fires at 150 is kind of scary, so we want to really change our lives. I'm not saying I'm not saying anything, I guess. I just won't say anything. I'll just sit here and try my best. Maximum bets. Oh. What good did max bet do for us? Nothing. To make our pants lighter because there's not enough money in there anymore. But we're trying. Where do we see? We saw a lot of action at 5, right? Right? It's like to tell myself that. We were having really good luck on this game before. Oh my god, please 3. Oh. That made me furious. I am upset. I am so upset I'm putting in another $100 so I can just max bet the pain away. I'm max betting the pain away, people. Max betting the pain away with the goal of the remedy of many more hundreds of dollars like that. Oh, I'm not gonna say a thing. I'm not gonna say one thing. My goodness. It just felt like that. It made a beautiful smack noise, but did nothing for us. Oh, 3. What is this 5? They should just delete 5 from the game. Like, why? Just like do 4 or 6 or none, whatever it is, you know. What is this 5 business? It's absolute nonsense is what it is. Silly 5 business. That'd be cool if I had a shaky too. Don't come honking at me for no reason, okay? Imagine that one when the major came. The major and then the little honker at the end. Oh, the little honker. We would have loved you, little honker. Why not? Little baby honker, why didn't you come through last time? 2 more, please. Can someone please explain what's happening to my life today? I'm just here trying to make a nice video for my friends to relax to, get some excitement from, live vicariously through me with. But the machine is not cooperating. We're very dedicated. 3 in the end. We hate you so much. Now, maybe $1 is the bet. Who knows? Maybe it's just gonna trick us. I didn't say a thing. I didn't say a thing, and I'm just crying internally a little bit, just a little bit. But we can overcome this together, people. We can overcome it together, I believe. Okay, we're starting to overcome right now. We're starting to overcome, we're starting to believe. We're gonna do this. We're down $290 million. We need to get 291 back. I'm happy with that. Okay, 6 free games. Those are the explications. Nudging wilds too. Okay, we like it. Oh, come on. Oh my goodness, that's... What in tarnation? Where the heck was that last one? What the heck was that? When you see the train and then you see then you're confused by the nudgers and then you're like, $24. Come on, 2 more in the end. 2. Okay, there we go. We got our favorite, the mini, and then got 10 little ones. The comeback is here, people. The comeback is here. It's real. Is the whole screen filled? Imagine just like filling the screen with just those. That would be so crazy. Drop the big honking train. Drop the big honker. Okay. There you go. We need you, big buddy. Don't do this. It's so hard to see how many spins you have left, but there it is. 3 more. We hate you. Winner. The first one would have been delightful. When the major showed up too, that was crazy. We tried our best. Alright, more spins. Oh, come on, 1 in the end, 1 in the end. Train, honk it. Honk it. We hate you so much. That would have been so crazy, the back-to-back. We still have 3 free games. Nothing yet to fear, people. Except fear itself. 3 in the end. Okay. There we go. We have 2 of them inside of 1 bonus round. That's absolutely delightful. That one has, you know... We got our favorite, the mini, and we got our favorite, the minor. Now we need our favorite, the major, which actually did show up, so... We can make it show up one more time, I believe. I believe... Oh, we need some help here. Okay. Can we get some more progressives, please? Just asking for a friend, please. Oh, someone was in anguish over there. I don't know what happened over there. Uh-oh, come on, 1. We appreciate it. Of course we appreciate it. Of course we appreciate it. Would we have liked $1 million more? Yes. Will we take this? Yes. Because there's no guarantee that we would have hit the bonus at $5. You know, everything is like, oh, we should have max bet and we got the bonus then. It could have happened or it could not have. You know, you never know. It could have been magic, it could have not. Let's do 1 more of these. Oh, nudgers. Oh my god, that's pretty good. Okay, come on. Joyful magic. Oh, 1 more. Oh, imagine the re-trigger too. That would have been crazy. The last one. Was that the final one or this 1 more? I guess we'll find out. Oh no, that was it. Okay. That was a good comeback. I think we're in for 3 and we got most of our money back. Pretty nice. I don't know what's going on back over there, but something. The nudging wilds feature is pretty cool, I'd say. I mean, it was cool to get 2 Holden spins within the 1 bonus. That was exciting times. Oh, 3. Come on. Come on now. Oh, 4. Oh. 2 more? Is it tricking with me, people? Tricking with me? Oh, 3 in the end. Oh, mix and match. I think it's trying to trick me, people. It's doing a good job, I'll say that. I'll give you that, Dragon Train. I will give you that. Oh. Okay, I think we're gonna end it there, and then we'll come back to the next video. Next mission, trying to hit a grand on something or other. I love you guys. I will see you in the next video. See you then.